Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. I wanted to give an update on the avocado growing efforts. So this method with the toothpicks for me has never been successful really, but this one in particular seems like it might be working. There's the little root growing down. So I'm going to keep trying with this. I had a plastic bag covering this as well just to try and keep the moisture high. I need to add some water again at this point, and I'm going to put it back in the bag. So hopefully this one will still grow. But I also recently came across a method where you just don't bother with the toothpicks and all this nonsense with the water. You just take your avocado seed and you simply just plop it in the ground like so. Kind of get it standing upright. And you push the dirt on top of it and you just keep it watered. I'm going to try this one because I think it's going to work out better for me. So just wanted to share that with you. Alright, so some more time has passed, and I actually wasn't keeping too close an eye on it, so the toothpick on the side kind of fell in, and it's all growing kind of crooked. If you can see, the roots are going kind of straight down, and this thing's going sideways, but it is growing out, so I'm going to plant this. I've probably waited a little too long. The roots are kind of long, but anyway, I'm just going to kind of put it in here and get it planted and see what happens. I have another one going there, but no success. So again, this toothpick method for me doesn't seem to be that great. The one that I planted in here, so far nothing has happened, but it's only been, like a couple weeks, so I'm not surprised yet. It took this one quite a long time before it finally got to this point, so I'm just going to keep watering this and keep it moist, and we'll see what happens. And yeah, I think that's it for today's update. It is certainly possible to grow avocado from seed like this with the toothpick method, but for me it's not working well. I've seen several different people say you got to take off this kind of brown crusty layer, so I've done that with this one. But for me, I've tried both methods and it hasn't worked at all. This one I had the plastic bag over it, as I mentioned before, so maybe that was the difference. I really don't know. If you have better experience with this, let me know. Yeah, anyway, I'll give you guys regular updates on this as it's growing, and I'll definitely let you know if this one comes out as well. So if you like that, give it a big thumbs up, and see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Bye.